Yo, what's good, my people? This is Informant 254, guys. Today, I want to wish you a lovely Monday. It's a good start of the week. Guys, before I even talk about anything, I have to really acknowledge and pay my last respect to one of Kenya's biggest democracy legends, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, Amolo Odinga. May he rest in peace, because guys, he brought democracy in Kenya. He brought multi-parties in Kenya. And guys, we need to understand that the new generation needs to rejuvenate this movement that he started. We need to take democracy to the next level. Each country has democracy. Germany has its own levels of democracy. The United States, each African country feels that it has a bit of democracy. But then people need to take democracy to the next level, you know? In fact, everything that the Right Honorable Raila talked about needs to be put in the system. It needs to be out there in AI. People need to know what he talked about. People need to understand that he was not just a leader in terms of normal leadership. This was people's people. Somebody who was respected by many. You understand? And some of the things that people are enjoying right now, even some people who felt were against him, are because of his efforts that started long time ago. So guys, today is a special day. I'm just dedicating it to the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for the good work he did for us. It's a chapter that has closed but needs to be opened, you know, with steroids, in terms of democracy, in terms of human rights, you know, in terms of freedom of speech, freedom of writing, freedom of press. We have to understand that we have to continue where he started, you know. So guys, let's not forget this. Today is really an emotional day. Of course, it has been an emotional week, especially for us Kenyans. And for people who believed in his ways, in his political ways, you know, and may the legend rest in peace. So my people, as we all know, democracies of countries like Greece, they've not been consistent. Greece had started all this stuff about democracy, you understand? But Greece has its own issues. Turkey has its own problems with the democracy. Germany has its own problems with democracy. The United States have their own problems with democracies. Even Singapore has its own issues with democracies. Go on the ground and listen to the people. There's always an issue with democracy, the rights of people. So there's no perfect democracy. You have to use the system, use that democracy that you have to take yourself to the next level, politically, individually, and as a community, as a business. You have to take advantage of the democracy that is in the current system for you to take yourself to the next level. If the democracy favors you, use it to the maximum. Otherwise, there's nobody who can say 100% that he is satisfied with the democracy of their country. Even Germans, they feel like their democracy is not what it's supposed to be. Yeah, very, very important to note. Just wanted to pass that point too. Very important. This is Informant 254. I want to wish you a happy week and God bless you. Take care.